Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CapCut video editing app. And in today's video, I will show you on how to resize and scale your video in the timeline in CapCut video editing app. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do here is to work on your video aspect ratio. So for you to work on the aspect ratio, next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and click on the CapCut workspace environment right here. Once you click on it, then go ahead and make sure you swipe this way, bottom here, swipe this way. Until you get to aspect ratio right here. So go ahead and click on that. So under the aspect ratio, you have different aspect ratio right here. Easily select some of the feed defaults right here. Like for instance, if you want to make this particular video in TikTok format or Instagram format, go ahead and choose any of the format right here. For instance, I'm going to resize and this video into the Instagram format. So select Instagram format. Then having select Instagram format, you have the next thing to do right there is to click on this one. And it has been successfully set to the Instagram format. Next thing you want to do is to select on the video. You have to drag from the timeline right here. Just drag until you are satisfied. So if you take a look at this video right here, you find out that this is an Instagram template right here. So just like you want to see right here. Once you are satisfied with the settings and the aspect ratio and the lights and the size of the thing, then you are good to go. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your CapCut video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.